Hello everyone. In this question, it says if x varies inversely as square of y and given that y equal to 2 for x is equal to 1, then find the value of x for y equal to 6. So first of all, it is given that x varies inversely as square of y. That means we can write it as x varies inversely as square of y. So 1 by y square, which means we can write x is equal to some constant k times 1 by y square. Now given if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Given if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. That means we can write 1 equal to k times 1 by 2 square. 2 square is 4, which means our k value is 4. Now we have to find out value of x for y equal to 6. So x will be 4 times 1 by y square. So 1 by y is given as 6. So 6 square, which means it is 4 by 36 or 1 by 9. That is the answer.